You know Spanish? Speak Spanish. Alright, this is a big clue. That's a big clue. You guys see, we're narrowing it down for you. Make it easier. How to say, what you say you know to say?
How are you?
Oh, you say how are you?
Hasta luego.
Hasta luego. No. No, baby said no. Say, ¿cómo estás? That's how you say it right there. Alright, we have the entire crew. Say hello, everybody. Everybody say
what's up, Wagwan? Buenas tardes, people.
It's time for the supermarket Okay, you win. Come up some more.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new chilly day here in France. Today is Friday, February lies. Why am I rushing the time so much? It's January 20th today and it's freezing outside. It's cold. This morning I saw somebody's car drove past me and there were ice on it. I know it's not as cold as some parts of the world, like some places in USA and Canada and where some of you guys are watching from, but this is cold for us. Okay, we are living in the south, so it's always sunny. So January and February is our coldest month of the year. Those 2 months, crazy. And we were having a nice early week in January, but then things take a turn this week. Oh shawty, freezing. This morning I had my hoodie over my head like this. It was cold. Anyway, yeah, what do I have to tell you guys? I just finished working out. I got a late workout in this morning because I didn't feel like getting up out of my bed at 5:30 or at 6 o'clock. So I laid down and got up in time to get the kids ready for school, dropped them off, got back, and then I get my workout in. So I'm running a little bit, like 2 hours behind schedule this morning, my usual. I am about to throw some chicken in the oven to make me some lunch, and I am unpacking my dishwasher because today is Friday. I have to go on the road. You know, I do supermarket on a Friday, so you guys stick around for the supermarket haul. You don't want to miss that with the entire fam bam. And then just roll into the weekend with positive vibes and good mood and, you know, good energy. So make sure you guys get your workout in or get some kind of activity done. It makes you feel better, trust me, and it will worth it in the long run on your health. All talks and no action doesn't work, shorty. Get up and do. It doesn't really matter how much you motivate people and how you inspire people. If you yourself don't put in the work, what sense does it make to be inspired by somebody and do nothing about it on your end? Think about that. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna stop rambling. Hopefully you guys will have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged, be kind to one another, go and kill your day with time management. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys later. All right, in the oven we go. In the oven we go. 1 hour shot. And just like that, the day is almost done and I'm on my way to the supermarket. Well, baby's going to go pick the kids up from school as usual, routine on a Friday. So after the supermarket I go. Almost there. So going to do a quick little shopping. I don't want much today, so I say until I get to the supermarket. Never stick to the list. Does any one of you guys stick to your list when you go to the supermarket? Never the case for me. Always a few things pick up that is not on my list, especially if I'm with babe. Oh my god, pick up way more things than we're supposed to, but such is life, right? All right, we have the entire crew. Say hello, everybody. Everybody say
What's
hello.
up, Wagwan people? Buenas tardes, people.
It's time for the supermarket Okay, you win. Come up some more. Woo. Breathe. Yes, turn on the oven. So, you remember when I was going to the supermarket, I told you guys that, oh, I'm going to try and stick to my list. I always pick up a lot of things, especially when baby's there. Honey child, I didn't stick to a list. Today I went outside of my comfort zone and pick up some pastries that I've never tried
A lot of crabs
before. So first thing I
Crabs there,
picked up
crabs everywhere.
was this little donut looking thing.
Cookies.
It's called beignet. There were 3 in it. I ate one, Tyler and Sarah ate one, so the next one left off.
Ah, for me, for the bus, say it for the bus.
Alright,
For the bus, say it.
Tyler will be exciting to see this snack bag. Oh, you're hiding? Tyler, hold on. Ty is mini cookie. I found mini cookie. What are you trying to do? Put this in front?
What is that, Sarah? Cheese cake.
Mama have my cheesecake.
Mama have my cheesecake. She get 2 cheesecakes.
I want it to be nice for Papa.
Oh, 4 for me?
1 for each person. It's the weekend, right? Show them what else that I don't normally get. This thing on the top. What's that? I don't even know what it is. But it has apple in the middle. And I decided that, okay.
Oh, show some for.
It looks like patty.
Not my favorite, but I still eat it.
If Babe says not his favorite, I'm not so sure. But we'll see.
Yeah, it's very comforting.
Yeah.
I love it.
You know, show it up here
It
talking.
was,
Is it apple?
yes,
Oh,
pure
I'll
apple.
see. Sarah. Yes, 2 Oreos. Sarah, you see that? You tell us you find the Oreo this week.
Nana.
Nana for?
Mama.
What is that? Raspberry for who?
Sarah.
For?
Mama.
Yes. High five.
Après
Let me see
ça.
how many?
A
A
pen.
pen.
Yo, go for the
Anna,
family.
look. So thank you, Mama.
Thank you,
I
Mama.
had his 2 favorites. He's happy this week.
We have tomatoes, little tomatoes. Where it's coming from? Morocco.
Morocco.
And that one over
Broccoli,
here,
apple.
in this avocado come from
Alright.
Morocco.
Tyler will be happy.
Samsa.
These are on sale. So I got 2 different types.
Chicken
And beef. There's something else in there, Ty. Oh, they give them, when I pay at the cashier, they say I'm to go to the arcade to get a free bag. So it's a free legume
You
bag.
can be like
So
grandma with apple in it.
it's the store legume in it.
We have 2 big salmon.
You see the apple bag. Sarah, to the supermarket house.
Salmon for the
Tyler,
family.
there is no happy biscuit again. And I didn't buy the other one because you almost didn't eat any. Sarah,
Something happened in the yellow.
Yes.
the yellow, the pack with the yellow is very expensive. So that's why I started
Yes,
eating
Mama.
So the rasta gone.
Cookie. Yes, Mama.
So what
What's
is that?
this?
It's cabbage.
What?
Cabbage.
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 It's not cabbage, it's lettuce.
Let's see. So where's the other
is that?
size?
You so sweet. Take all the things out of the bag. I don't know if it's
Right.
And then, oh, see your time. Mini names.
I want to eat right now.
Yes, the oven is on. You have to wait until it's
Can I
hot.
have a snack?
You soon get it as soon as you finish the haul. Supper on sale. It's sale period, so good amount of things are on sale this week.
Cookie.
I picked up this that I haven't picked up in a long time. I love eating this with my lunch and I missed it. It's black tea. It's just peas.
Nana. So what you doing with the nana? You eat it?
Put it on banana.
Mama Batty. No?
There's something black in your teeth. Like this. What were you eating? Go look in the mirror.
Donut.
Chicken! What is this, Sarah?
Compote. Cookie. Cucumber.
No.
Cookie.
Good job. You were gonna say it first when you know what you said.
Compote.
Yes, two compote again. Your sister eat compote like.
Raspberry.
What's this one, Sarah? Sarah.
Cucumber.
Yes. And what is this? You don't know what is this. What is this?
Mama, let me guess.
Uh-oh, sorry.
Next one.
You're gonna guess? Chicken.
Apple juice.
Yes.
Ginger and veggies bouillon. Bouillon?
What is that? What is the white thing in your hand? How you don't ask me anything about it?
Is it clean, make it cleaner, make it white?
Make shoes whiter. I always ask you if they don't have these things in France. So I say,
Well,
and I always say I'm gonna look on Amazon. But see, I found it. And see, I really in here.
Potatoes to
Sarah,
feed the rocket?
what's this?
Potatoes.
Avocado.
Oh, what is that, Sarah?
Mushroom.
C'est quoi en français?
Mushroom.
No.
Mama, let me get champignon.
Yes.
No, it's a champignon.
Very good, Sarah.
Champignon.
Hey,
Oui, c'est ça, c'est
What's
quoi?
this?
haricot. Haricot.
Haricot, quoi?
Maman, c'est pas des haricots
Et
rouges.
c'est quoi ça?
Steak haché.
Oui. Hamburger meat.
Et maman, poisson.
Sorry, what is this?
Poisson.
Yes,
Cochon.
fish.
C'est du cochon.
C'est du cochon, oui.
C'est des fesses de cochon.
It's pig.
Cheese.
It's
I
ham.
already eat cheese all weekend.
Hold on. You ate the last piece because I didn't find it. Or I used it yesterday and forget.
No, you probably use it yesterday and forget. You see?
I bought this
How much cheese
for
she
my
eats.
nice husband, but I know who's gonna eat them. When I say I didn't pick up any yogurt for him, I say, okay, let me go back and be nice. Alright,
You have to.
it's time for the...
Samosa.
Danger zone.
No, the zone look clear. It look clear for now. Let's go. Come on, Tyler. Let's go, Tyler. Who's giving and Sarah? Papa?
Yeah.
Okay.
And Mama and
Yeah.
Sarah.
Well, you're not sure.
No, Tyler.
Come. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two Tyler. Come on, Ty. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Papa. I don't like when Papa get one. The recording stopped and I didn't see. I hope you guys didn't miss who won. But if you missed it,
Yeah, I hope you miss who won.
it's Tyler won. I'll see when I'm editing. And now he and I playing and he win one. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Mama, one Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two Tyler.
2-1.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 2-2. Anybody win this? Win. Anybody win this? Ready?
Yes.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Go Mama, go Mama, go Mama. No. We finish. So Mama win one and Tyler win one.
Papa win.
Papa win. Hey, little girl screaming out of
Since I win, I can have my regret will be to have a snack.
This? You want rice cake? This? You don't eat them when you're home. I buy them for you to carry to school. The other ones in the fridge. Oh, to all of the snack that I buy for you, you want this? You have milk. You have cookies Oreo? Do you want the mini cookie or you want the Oreo?
Mini.
Sarah, reading on the ears, no man. You're not gonna deaf me.
Mama!
Yes.
This is big.
But Sarah, it's called mini. Mini. Do you know the meaning of mini? Huh? And that's Friday dinner. We have names, pork names, and we have samosas. We have beef samosa, is this one, and then we have chicken samosa, this one. So that's dinner, and then I have 3 different sauces to go with them. Yeah. So I called Tyler to end yesterday's vlog with me because I want you to give the faves another clue. But look, who have to come? I want you to give the faves another clue about for them to help find the vacation destination. What's the clue? You have to tell me in my ears first.
Yes.
Okay. They know that already. What else you know about the country? You know so much about the country. Tell them.
It speaks Spanish.
Oh. So the clue for today's travel is
It speaks Spanish.
they speak Spanish. Do you know anything in Spanish? What do you know in Spanish? Tell them something in Spanish.
How to say hello.
What is hello in Spanish?
Morning.
What is hello in Spanish?
But what time? Morning, evening.
And oh, so there is different from morning? Okay, what is good morning in Spanish?
Is Papa say.
Ah, you say you know. Tell me. What is good morning in Spanish, honey?
Say, hola, señorita, ¿cómo estás?
Hola. And what is goodbye?
Adiós.
Adios. So you guys, we have to. I don't know nothing in Spanish. Tyler and Papa brushing up on their Spanish. How do you say? You know Spanish? Speak Spanish. Alright, this is a big clue. That's a big clue. You guys see, we're narrowing it down for you. Make it easier. How to say, what you say you know how to say?
How are you?
Oh, you say how are you?
Hasta luego.
Hasta luego.
No.
No, baby say no, say como estas. That's how you say it right there. Anyway, you guys, so that's the clue for today's vlog. That's a big deal. All right, let's see the comments down below. The guesses.
Literal hasta luego.
Hasta luego. Hasta luego. Hasta luego. Au revoir. Bye. Gracias. Thank you. Grazie.
Grazie mille. No, that's Italian.
I was just about to say it's not Italian. Listen, this vacation. No. I think I understand what it just says if I'm Spanish or if I speak Spanish, something like that. But anyway, you guys, that's the end of today's vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoying. I'm looking forward to all the guesses down below in the comment section. Catch up and keep up. Subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.